The moment we've all been waiting for. Time to remove this. I know I say this a lot, but I've never been so excited to take off a makeup look. Let's get to it, shall we? Eyelashes. When I tell you that these things are stuck on, like, what have I done? I genuinely don't know how to go about this. Like, it's kind of satisfying though. Makeup ASMR. Okay, scraping them off is really painful. So instead I'm gonna take a cleansing balm and I'm just gonna like massage it, hoping it gets in between all the rhinestones to loosen them up. Don't ask what I'm doing because I don't know. Oh my gosh, but I think it's working. I guess this technique is working, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. This is a goddamn mess. Ugh. I started this look at 7 p.m. It is currently 3 a.m. just to give you a little idea of how over this I am. Ow. Even in my nose. Oh. I put so much damn effort into this. I swear to God, if y'all let any videos flop, you're fake as hell. Oh my God. I look like a little superhero. Okay, I'm really scared for the eye area. Oh my God, there's so much oil in my eye right now. Oh my God. This has already taken like 20 minutes. Ow. Oh my gosh, should I show you my table? Wow. Well, I'm gonna go shower. Thank you for joining me.
My thoughts when taking off my makeup. Just pull. Gross. Plop. Plop. This net was really annoying. Yay, this doesn't hurt. Satisfying. Never mind, this hurts. Why didn't I just buy an adhesive remover instead of peeling off my skin? OMG, I've ripped off my brows. False alarm, I forgot I covered them raw. Okay, bye.
Let's remove 100 layers of liquid latex makeup together. If this doesn't come off as a solid, I'm suing. I might even grab a corner like it doesn't move.
Not me trying to figure out how I'm getting this shit off my head. So thankfully, the back where my hair is a little bit shorter is just